So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get platinum level on DoorDash. So first of all, once you download the app, you'll see it looking something like this. From here you can see at the bottom, home, grocery, shopping, browse, and me. You can search the foods on here and you can see your shopping cart in the top right corner once you're logged in. Now in order to get the platinum level, you can go to the section me and you can see on here your rewards. And you can see here you redeemed a total of this many dollars. So on here, it's actually linked to the reward system from the Dasher app. And it works pretty similarly to what I just showed you on DoorDash. So on there to get platinum level, once you accept a dash or rather an order you completed, and you will get a certain points. So if it's high acceptance, completion, on-time delivery, and customer satisfaction, you will get points. And if you achieve an overall dash rating of 60 to 100, you can qualify for silver, gold, or platinum reward tier. So on here, if you are as close to 100 points as you can be, that qualifies you for a Dasher platinum tier. So it's mainly for people that are Dashers. That means that you're a delivery person working for DoorDash. And if you do your job correctly, and you will get points for that, and then you can get some perks from the platinum tier. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.